Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the car and collecting tools: jack, lug wrench, spare, gloves, and chocks. Loosen the lug nuts now while the wheel is grounded. This prevents the wheel from spinning when elevated. Use the correct socket and turn counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn, firm but controlled. Once done, position the jack point under the manufacturer-recommended lift point. Make sure to use a flat, stable spot and keep the jack perpendicular to. You now raise the Audi using the jack until the tire clears the ground by about 5 to 10 cm. That gap gives you room to remove the wheel safely. Once raised, finish unscrewing the lug nuts and place them somewhere secure so you don't lose any. Grip the tire with both hands, pull it straight off the studs, and set it aside. While the wheel is off, inspect the brake rotor and caliper quickly. Look for leaks, excessive rust, or debris so you know whether any further maintenance is needed. You mount the spare by aligning it with the studs and pushing it gently until seated, then hand thread each lug nut to avoid cross-threading. Lower the car until the tire just contacts the ground so it won't spin, and tighten the nuts in a star pattern to spread pressure evenly. Finally, lower fully and torque to the manufacturer's spec. Make sure tire pressure is correct, stow your tools, and drive slowly for a short distance to verify no vibrations. If you feel wobble, re-torque and recheck seating and lug condition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.